Hi everyone, all of you must be wondering how much difference can a voice amplifier make in a room. Right, it can make a huge difference and I'm going to show you with the help of a small experiment. So first of all, I'll be speaking something with my mask up and I'm going to repeat the same thing with my mask up plus with the use of a wireless voice amplifier, and we'll see how much difference does it make. Right. So we'll just get on with the experiment and let you experience it yourself. Right. So I'm going to teach you the principles of nuclear engineering today, and we'll be talking about fission and fusion. Now I'm going to repeat the same sentence using the voice amplifier system. Right. So this is my amplifier, Nefficar wireless voice amplifier that I'm going to keep here. I will just turn on the devices. Alright, I'll put the microphone around my head and I'm just going to keep the speaker right in front of me, about 60 centimeters away from me, so that there is no howling sound. I'm going to turn on the speaker and gradually increase the volume. Hello, 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 hello. I think you can hear. Hello. Right. So today I am going to be teaching principles of nuclear engineering, and we'll be learning about the concepts of fission and fusion. Right. This is just at 30 to 40% volume. I will not be able to increase the volume further because it is a small room, and if I increase the volume further, it will result in the howling effect. Hi everyone. So today I will be teaching you the principles of nuclear engineering, and we'll be learning about the concepts of fission and fusion. I'm sure you can feel there is a significant difference in the quality of voice and the volume, and I am speaking more softly than before. Also, the current volume is set to about 30 to 40% of its full capacity because of this small room size. When you have bigger room size, you can actually increase the volume and be audible even to the scattered audience. It is ideal for 100 people, easily ideal for 100 people. Also, it has come to our attention that people have been using it for online teaching as well, because when you are teaching online and you are standing away from the camera, the quality of sound that goes to your audience, to your students, is not that great. And when you simply keep the speaker close to the camera, the quality of your sound or the video is going to be much better, as you can see right now. I am not using any other microphone, and I have just kept this speaker close to the DSLR, and it is able to record clear and very loud sound. Now I'll play all the samples side by side so that you can make a good comparison of them. The first one is the voice without any amplifier. The second is voice with the amplifier when the amplifier is kept close to the body. And third is with the amplifier with the speaker being kept close to the DSLR camera. In your case, which will be audience, your students or your patient. So I'm going to teach you the principles of nuclear engineering today, and we'll be talking about fission and fusion. Today I'll be teaching you the principles of nuclear engineering, and we'll be learning about fission and fusion. Hi everyone. So today I'll be teaching you the principles of nuclear engineering, and we'll be learning about the concepts of fission and fusion. I'm sure you can feel there is a significant difference in the quality of voice and the volume, and I'm speaking more softly than before. And if you like this video and if it helped you make the decision, do give it a thumbs up. It will be very encouraging for us, and will continue to bring valuable content for you, which will help you make good decisions. Thank you so much.